Hi, my name is Cullen, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Winter Park, Florida. We meet with people all the time who have been involved in accidents and who have received injuries. And in almost every one of those cases, we're up against an insurance company who is making decisions about how much to pay on a case, whether to pay on a case, and that sort of thing. So a lot of people have questions of us when we meet about how do the insurance companies decide what they're going to pay, or how do they evaluate or place a value on any particular claim. And the simple answer to that question is we're not sure. We don't work for insurance companies. We don't have any inside information from insurance companies. And I would wager that 99% of the people who work for insurance companies don't even know how it works. What we do know is that several of the large insurance companies have spent tens of millions of dollars on software programs that are supposed to help them evaluate claims. This has been going on for the past 10 or 15 years, and over that time we've drawn some conclusions or assumptions about how it works, and so I want to share those with you in today's video. As best we can tell, the algorithms that the insurance companies use rely on certain pieces of information, and somehow they smash those pieces of information together and come up with a case value. So here are the pieces of information that we're very confident they use. First, they put in information or input information about where the accident happened and the circumstances about how the accident happened. They also put in information about how much property damage was there to the vehicles and what was the area of the vehicles that was damaged. We believe that they also put in information about medical bills and medical records, and they also put in information that they might have about our client's prior injury or accident history. What we suspect about the medical record part of the evaluation or the algorithm is that they scan in our client's medical records and they're particularly looking for keywords. And those keywords, we believe that they place certain values, lesser or greater values on certain keywords, such as herniated disc or protruding disc. Those would be evaluated or valued differently. Or if it's a fractured skull or something like that. They're just looking for these particular keywords in order to help evaluate the case. We also believe that they take into consideration the diagnostic coding that the doctors use. And so this is one of the reasons why we place such a high value on which doctors our clients decide to see to treat them for their accident-related injuries, because some doctors are really, really good at thoroughly documenting and charting for their patient, and other doctors aren't so good. And so the doctors who are better at it include more information, and of course that gets scanned into this algorithm and it makes a big difference. We believe the insurance company also puts in information about whether or not the injured person has an attorney. And if they choose to have an attorney, then we think that the insurance company also puts in information about which attorney the injured person chose, and whether that attorney, we know that every insurance company keeps track of settlements with certain attorneys and which attorneys they know take cases to trial and which attorneys they know are willing to litigate cases. So once the insurance company has information about this particular claimant and claim, then they run it against all of the other information that they have in their system about people who've been injured in certain same areas or similar areas, similar facts of the accident, similar injuries, and they come up with a settlement value based on the history that they have of settling cases and also cases that have been to trial. Insurance companies have information about jury verdicts as well. So they pump in all the information about this particular claim and this particular claim, compare it to all of their other claims experience in similar cases, and then they issue or come up with a settlement range. And then they put the burden on the insurance adjuster who's assigned to this particular claim to get it settled for as low as they can within the settlement range that this computer has generated. So obviously anyone who lacks experience dealing with these kinds of claims is going to be at a real disadvantage compared to the insurance company when it comes to determining what the reasonable or true value of a particular case is. If you have any questions about a Florida personal injury case or any questions about how insurance companies may or may not evaluate cases or what information they find valuable versus which information they don't find valuable, please reach out to us. We are happy to answer questions. You can always reach us by calling our office at 407-254-4901. You can text us at 407-644-4444, or you can even reach us via the Facebook